the topic which we are discussing today is about the brain chemical called dopamine. So dopamine is a very significant brain chemical which is formed inside the human brain, and the importance of knowing about the stimulus or the reasons which are creating dopamine inside a human brain is very important. So why is it important? So it is important because there are both positive ways and negative ways which results in the generation or creation of the hormone or the chemical known as dopamine inside human brain. So dopamine is the pleasure hormone or pleasure chemical. The generating or the generation of the hormone or chemical dopamine inside human brains gives pleasure to humans. So we know that it will be basically it will be the a seeking hormone of humans because it gives pleasure to humans. So now we are looking into the factors, the both positive and the negative factors which creates this pleasure hormone called dopamine in human brain. So first we will look into the negative factors which creates the this pleasure hormone named dopamine. So the negative factors are using of the substances like alcohol or maybe drugs, heroin, such things. So such addictive things creates this dopamine inside the human brain. So because it is producing this dopamine, that is why humans are having more craving towards this like addictive things such like alcohol, drugs, heroin, such like things. Even if people know that these things are damaging their body, mind and all, but still they are seeking towards these like substances because it is giving pleasure inside them. And also the other addictions like maybe some people will be having addiction towards mobile phones, internet, and maybe some people have addictions towards movies or maybe such like things or videos in YouTube, Facebook and all. So this happens because it gives the generation of this pleasure hormone called dopamine inside human brain. And the next things next thing in a negative way, we can see it in a negative way only, creating this hormone called dopamine is we can see youngsters, they used to they are the main seekers of pleasure at their age of young. So they used to, we can see at roads and all, youngsters crossing the speed of their machines, their bikes and cars. They are exceeding that speed limit, and they are going through a rash driving and all through the roads. Why? The reason is that this thing also generates the hormone called dopamine inside them that gives them pleasure. And also sometimes the unwanted or not good relationships also sometimes produces the dopamine inside the human brain which gives them pleasure. So why we looked into these negative aspects is that because the dopamine creation happens in brain in both negative and positive way. So if we are aware about both negative and positive way, we can replace these negative things by the positive factors which generates dopamine in human brain. By this we can remove the negative or bad habits of a person with the good habits. So now we are looking into the positive factors which creates dopamine in human brain. That is, one thing is exercise. Exercise is a very positive and good thing which results in the creation of or generation of dopamine in human brain. So exercise, we know that through exercise a person can build his body, and also it's good for his mind and all. Also it will result in a positive way to his for himself and to his family, workplace and everywhere. And the next thing, the second thing is through meditation. Meditation is a thing which helps for the creation of dopamine inside the human brain. So it is a very good and positive thing by which the creation of dopamine will happen inside the human brain. And the third thing we can look into is food. food which is rich in content. Some food which is very rich in content means like dairy products and protein, high protein foods. When we are eating these foods, it creates the production of dopamine inside a human brain. And the next thing is music. So enjoying music and all is a thing, very good thing, which creates dopamine inside human brain. Dancing, dance in psychology nowadays there are music therapy, art therapy, and dance therapies like that. So why is this happening is because they are having the awareness that by this music therapy or dance therapy or such like therapy, a person can be cured from his addiction level to a non-addiction level. This is happening because of the chemical which is producing or generating inside a person due to his addiction behavior. The same chemical he will get through a very good habit. So by having this proper awareness, we can replace the stimulus or source of stimulus by which the dopamine is created inside the human brain. So we can see that many times people are they themselves are struggling through many addictions like drug addiction, alcohol addiction, maybe overusing of mobile phones, internet, and YouTube videos, Facebook videos, maybe having unnecessary or unneeded friendships in Facebooks or like that. So through these unwanted things, they are getting the dopamine. So slowly they can be transferred into these positive sources of dopamine by which a transformation of this person will happen in a good way, and also he gets the pleasure what is he seeking actually. So actually our brain doesn't know that through which source we are getting dopamine. So our brain just want that chemical for having the feeling of pleasure. So even if you are getting this from the negative source, or even if you are getting this from the positive source, brain doesn't bother about that. Brain just need this. So by having this awareness and a practical application, we can slowly change the negative this behavior or habits or addictions to this positive direction, and through that the person will be getting the needed pleasure and satisfaction in his life, and also he can direct his life into a positive direction. Thank you.